300 CEM, Android App Development. My name is Jaspreet Singh. Demonstration of my application. I'm currently working on Visit UK application. So aim of this application is to give you information about the cities. Once you using the application, you're allowed to add some information about the cities, and you can click pictures as well and save it into database. So first of all, let's run the application in Android Studio. So here is my application installed in Nexus 5. So once you open the application, will display three types of list views: image list view, data grid view, and simple list view. So let's check all these list views first. And according to your choice, you can select list view. For this test, I'm using image list view. So once you click on item in the list view, system will take you to information page, and with the help of text-to-speech option, system will read out the information which is displayed on the screen, and then you have two options to use. Either you can click picture of the cities, or you can express your views about city by clicking on my views. So let's check information page and test text-to-speech option.
Armagh from Irish Ardmocha, meaning Matcha Heights, is the county town of County Armagh in Northern Ireland, as well as a civil parish. It is the ecclesiastical capital of Ireland, the seat of the Archbishops of Armagh, the primates of all Ireland for both the Roman Catholic Church and the Church of Ireland.
So now you've got two options. You can click on camera option by clicking on this button, and you can select camera. On Android Studio with emulator, you can click picture, then system will display the picture on the screen. You can go back and you can click on your views, and you can add information about your city. For this test, I'm using Birmingham. Then you can save the information in the database. So by clicking on this option, you can check information you just entered. So yeah, this is the option we just added now. System allows you to update information on the screen by clicking on the save button. Record updated. By clicking on data, you can delete that record as well. And when you go back and check, now you got one record. So let's try completely closing our application, reopening the application to check data persistency. So when we click and go here, we go Birmingham here, Loughborough Ring. So data stays in the database. So let's try this application in different screen. So again, we got three views. We got different XML file for large screens here. So by clicking on this image, you got same options.
Aberdeen is a port city in North.
You can click, you can add information, and you can click picture as well. An application will display picture on the screen. So it works on different screen sizes perfectly fine, and application is designed to work landscape.
Aberdeen is a port city.
So let's run this test. Let's try inserting data in our application with the same testing function. So insert successful, data has been passed. So test has been passed. Different XML files for large screen sizes, different XML files for small screen sizes. So these classes are used to display information on image view. The function of this class is to display information on the screen with image view, text view, and details about the cities. So in this class, we are declaring structure, and according to this structure, data will be displayed on the screen. Here is our database class. Here, database is created, allow us to add information in the database. And this class deals with insert and delete and update function and keep it in the database. This is our data grade view class, which display pictures, and according to the position ID being clicked, user will see different information. Image adapter, this is a class. This class used to display the image on the screen according to ID. This is an information page which read out information to the user with text-to-speech function. So according to butclicked, it deals with the data, allow user to enter data and delete data. So this is our main splash screen, and for testing purposes, I change this value to 0. When it's 0, system will not display this page, will go straight to list view. But when it's 2000, the system will splash the screen for 2 seconds and then move to next page. This is our main page, which displays all UK cities. Image intent allow user to click image. So when this page is created, first file path is created, then by clicking on button, user dispatch this function. And after this function and after receiving result, this function will be called, and through this function we are calling every other function in the class. Gallery add picture and set picture. So gallery add pictures to gallery, and set picture add display picture on image view on our activity. So this application is being tested with 10 cities, and application being tested with 10 cities in the database, but cities can be expanded by adding more pictures in the drawable function. So here I got 10 images. This class displays pictures on the screen. So this is our database structure. We run test already. So as I said, application being tested with 10 cities, but in our string array we got 122 cities. So application can be extended anytime by adding more information into it. So thank you for watching.